On your landing page, there's no limit to how many content blocks you can create. With our abundance of different content block types, you can completely customize your landing page to create your dream design. To start creating your event page content, go to Software Settings, Landing Page Builder. Below your hero banner and action bars, you will find your content blocks. To add a content block, click Add Content Block. A pop-up will appear with these fields. Choose from 10 block types like auction items, cumulative total bar, donate an item, featured items, and more. The title is where you can enter the title for the content block on the landing page. Header is where you can enter a smaller header, which appears below the title. Then click Save to confirm or Cancel to discard changes. After saving, a second pop-up will appear based on the block type. Choose your settings for that block. Let's go over all 10 content block types ClickBit offers. The first type is Cumulative Total Bar. To add, select Cumulative Total Bar. Enter a title and header. After saving, the settings box will appear. You can show or hide the block and title. Choose a background color. Select the type of total to display like all, which is all items, donations, raffles, and more, or you can choose only donation items or just quantity items. This block will display a running total of donations and/or winning bids. It will look like this. The second type, Donate an Item. To add, select Donate an Item. Enter a title and header. After saving, you can show or hide the block and title. Choose a background color. This block includes a button that displays a form when clicked for donating items to the event. Donated items will need to be approved before they are available for bidding. It will look like this. When a guest selects the Donate Item button, this is the form that will appear to them. The third type is Featured Items. To add this type, enter a title and header. Choose Items to feature. Show or hide the block and title. Select a background color. This block allows you to choose up to 4 items to display in a grid. The selected items will show the image gallery, item name, and item details up to 140 characters. It will look like this. The fourth type, Featured Media. To add, select Featured Media. Enter a title and header. Show or hide the block and title. Select a background color. This block allows you to display a video, event stream, YouTube, or Vimeo, or insert a URL for a video file like an MP4 file. It will look like this. The fifth type is Freeform Content Block. To add, select Freeform. Enter a title and header. Show or hide the block and title. Select a background color. This allows you to create a fully customizable content block, as this is a simple text block. It will look like this. The sixth type, Image and Text Split. Choose between boxed or full/edge-to-edge image styles. Enter a title and header. Set image position like top, bottom, left, or right. Show or hide the block and title. This block places text and images side by side. A boxed type of image will have some space around it. A full/edge-to-edge type of image will take the full screen width when vertically stacked or half the screen width when horizontally split, and it allows another image to float on top of it. It will look something like this. Our seventh type, Make a Donation. To add, select Make a Donation. Enter a title and header. Choose background color. Select items to display. This block allows you to choose donation items for display. If multiple items are chosen, they will display as cards. If a single item is chosen, it will display in a full-width view to highlight that donation item's details. It will look like this. The eighth type, Auction Items. Displays up to 10 auction items. Enter a title and header. Show or hide the block and title. Choose a background color. This block shows up to 10 items in your auction and links to the full auction page. The number in parentheses next to the header text is your total number of visible items. This content type allows your guests to preview your items with an option for them to select See All Items, which will take them to the bid site and direct them to log in or register if they aren't already. It will look like this. Our ninth type, Sponsors. To add this type, select Sponsors. Enter a title and header. Choose Sponsor Groups to display. Show or hide the block and title. Select a background color. This block allows you to choose the sponsor groups to display. If more than one sponsor group is chosen, the group name will be displayed above the sponsors. If only one sponsor group is chosen, then the group name will not be displayed. Sponsors that include a URL allow the sponsor card to be pressed to visit the URL. We suggest adding verbiage here such as, "Thank you to our sponsors below. Click to visit them and support." It will look like this. The 10th type is Start a Peer-to-Peer Campaign. To add this type, select Start a P2P Campaign. Enter a title and header. Show or hide the block and title. Select a background color. This block includes a button that displays a form when clicked for people to start their own peer-to-peer campaign. When a guest selects the Create a Campaign button, this is the form that will appear to them. After someone fills this form out, they are now that campaign's owner and will receive a confirmation email like this. Campaigns will need to be approved before they are available for accepting donations. The event contact will receive an email similar to this. Once any content block is created, they are easily adjustable and/or removable. To change the location of where your content block is located, you can select the upward and downward arrows above the block. To adjust the settings and titles of a particular block, select the settings icon to the right of the arrows just shown.